Home is a window. Home is a window, a doorway, a rug, a basket for your shoes. Home is hello, sweet pea, and a hug. A little bit of green, a corner, and a chair. Home is a table with something good, and the people gathered there. Home is washing, rinsing, and drying. And whenever a dish gets broken, someone to help you sweep. Home is one more hide and seek before bath, bubbles if you are lucky, and a blanket all your own, mostly. Home is Miss Vera's lamplight, shared with you. A book before you fall asleep. And a kiss afterward. Home is what feels the same each day. And sometimes what is new. Home is a pillow, the long quiet at the start of a journey. And an arm around you tight. Home is the shirt that smells like your old room. Stories you had never heard. And every song you know sung out loud again. Home is all that you miss. And not knowing for sure how things will be. And then here we are. A doorway. Hello? A window, sunlight, a corner for your toys. A patched up quilt, something good, and the people gathered near. Home. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button below.